Two job offers, both good, both promising, but he could only choose one. And one decision would change everything. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Today's story is about Alex, an employee facing a difficult career decision. Let's begin. Alex had been working at his company for 3 years. He had a stable job, a good team, and a comfortable routine. Everything felt safe. But one day, something unexpected happened. He received a job offer from another company. The offer was attractive: higher salary, new environment, more opportunities for growth. Alex felt excited, but at the same time, he felt uncertain. Leaving his current job was not an easy decision. He had built strong relationships. He understood the work. He felt secure. That night, Alex thought carefully. Should I stay or should I leave? The next day, something even more surprising happened. His current manager called him into a meeting. "I've been reviewing your performance," she said, "and we'd like to offer you a promotion." Alex was shocked. A promotion meant more responsibility and a salary increase. Now he had two options: stay and grow in a familiar place, or leave and explore something new. Both choices had advantages. Both had risks. Alex felt pressure. He talked to his friends. He thought about his goals. He imagined both futures. But the decision was still not clear. Finally, he asked himself an important question. What do I really want? Not what feels safe, not what others expect, but what truly matters to him. After a long night of thinking, Alex made his decision. The next morning, he spoke to his manager. "Thank you for the opportunity," he said, "but I've decided to accept the new job offer." His manager nodded. "I understand," she said. "I wish you the best." Alex felt nervous, but also excited. He was stepping into something new. From that experience, Alex learned something important. There is no perfect decision, but if you choose based on your goals, you won't regret it. Now that you've heard the story, let's go through some useful business English words and phrases, along with practical examples you can use in real situations. First, let's look at the phrase job offer, which refers to an opportunity to work at a company. For example, you might say, "I received a job offer from a new company," or, in real life, "She accepted the job offer after careful consideration." Next, we have the word promotion, which means moving to a higher position with more responsibility. In real situations, you might say, "He got a promotion after 2 years," or "The promotion comes with a salary increase." Moving on, we come to the word decision, which refers to a choice you make. For example, "This is an important career decision," or "He took time to make the right decision." Another important term is opportunity, which refers to a chance for growth or improvement. In real life, you might say, "This job gives me more opportunities," or "She is looking for better career opportunities." We also have the phrase take a risk, which means to do something uncertain. For example, "He decided to take a risk and change jobs," or "Sometimes you need to take risks to grow." Finally, let's look at the phrase step out of your comfort zone, which means to do something unfamiliar or challenging. In real situations, you might say, "She stepped out of her comfort zone to try something new," or "Growth happens when you leave your comfort zone." As you can see, these expressions are extremely useful in real workplace situations, especially when making career decisions. So, what can we learn from this story? Sometimes the hardest decisions are the most important ones. There is no perfect answer. But if you understand your goals and take action, you can move forward with confidence. If you want to improve your business English through real-life situations, stories like this can help you both in language and in decision-making. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more stories. See you in the next video.